The title of this puzzle is Save the Draw when you are about to lose because he's about to promote his pawn to a queen. It is white to move here. And what we're actually going to do is sacrifice our bishop with check. Now, he doesn't have to accept this sacrifice. There are only 4 legal moves, however, that black can play. And let's see what he does. He does accept the sacrifice. We'll go over the other 3 once we've completed the puzzle. Now, the point of this sacrifice is to decoy the king where it will be subjected to a check from our knight, which can then in turn cover the promotion square. And that's all it made us do. Let's put this in the analysis board and explain exactly why this works. So first of all, one might argue, well, he can just attack our knight. But what we're going to do is blockade, and when he attacks the knight again, we come to h3 with check. And even though he can cover the promotion square and we have no more check, anytime our knight is not imperiled, our king can advance. If at ever he puts our knight in danger, let's say here, we then blockade again. And so he can never imperil our knight successfully. If he comes to h2, we go to f3. If he comes to f2, we go to h3. And eventually we'll pick off that pawn and the game will be drawn. Coming all the way back to the starting position, what if the king had declined the sacrifice and played his king up here, for example? In that instance, we simply go ahead and give the check, and no matter what he plays, we get the same position here. If, on the other hand, he'd played in this direction, once again, we can get the check, and though he can stop our knight from covering the promotion square, here, we actually sacrifice the knight because we can skewer the king and the pawn, and that's a game drawn. Likewise, one more. Same thing if he goes to e5. It's literally the same thing. It's just different. We're not minding if he takes our knight because we're going to pick off that pawn and the game will be drawn. And we got that half point in our pocket. Oh yeah.